Which way with which, mastering interrogative pronouns. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of interrogative pronouns. Specifically, we're focusing on the word which. Understanding how to use which will make your questions more precise, clearer, and, of course, grammatically correct. Our first step is to understand what which is. Which is an interrogative pronoun, meaning it's used to ask questions. It's employed when the speaker needs to identify someone or something among a known set of options. Remember that which can refer to both singular and plural entities, and can be used for people, animals, or things. For example, which book do you like best? Referring to a known set of books. Which are your shoes? Referring to a known set of shoes. The pronoun which is not just limited to direct questions, it's also used in indirect questions. This is when the question is embedded within another statement or question. Examples of direct questions. Which route should we take? Example of the same question as an indirect question. Can you tell me which route we should take? It's crucial to understand the difference between which and what. While both are interrogative pronouns, which is used when the choices are known, limited, or specified. In contrast, what is used when the options are unknown or unlimited. For example, what is your name? Unlimited options. Which is your car? You're choosing from a limited set of options, like a parking lot. Which also has a significant role in relative clauses, where it can function as a relative pronoun. In this case, it connects the clause to a noun or pronoun mentioned earlier, providing additional information about it. For example, this is the book, which I was talking about. That's a wrap on which, folks. Now you know how to use this interrogative pronoun to formulate clearer and more precise questions, whether they're direct, indirect, or part of a relative clause. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using which in your everyday conversations. As always, stay curious, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video.